Hello everyone, please welcome and join me in Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you simple and super delicious sesame seed recipe, and in typical Punjabi we call it til. So I'm going to make a til tikki. 1 cup til, sugar half cup, then I'm going to use honey, that will be 1/3 of the cup, 1/8 cup will be water, half teaspoon lemon juice. Without wasting any time, let's start making til tikki. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas, and we're going to keep a gas on medium. I'll bring sesame seed. We're going to roast the sesame seed, the til, on medium flame. So keep moving. It's very important that they don't get burned. If they get burned, then they don't taste well. So as soon as we start seeing the color going to get changed, that's where we're going to stop. Cooking for exactly 3 minutes. If you notice, the color has been start to change. So this is it. This is all we need, and I'm going to turn off the gas. And once you turn off the gas, this is the really important part. Keep moving. We're going to take out the til in plate. It's really important because you don't want them to leave it into the fry pan, because the fry pan is still hot and it's going to get burned. I'm going to use the same fry pan, and I'll start gas, and we're going to keep the gas on high. I'll bring sugar. I'll bring honey. I'll bring water. Mix it. And we're going to cook on high gas. On a high gas, cooking for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to bring half teaspoon lemon juice. Mix it well. Cooking over sugar for 3 minutes. This is all we need. And I'm going to turn off the gas. And now I'm going to bring sesame seed. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to take it out. I have a parchment paper ready, and I'm going to bring the sesame seed, the til, so it's really hot, so just be careful, don't burn yourself. We're going to place parchment paper on top of, and then we're going to just flatten it. You can get a help of a rolling pin, and we're going to roll out. And when we're going to roll out, it's going to be really thin layer. Just like that. So once it's nicely flattened out, we're going to wait until it cools down. Waiting for 5 minutes. So now I'm going to get the knife, and we're going to cut. You can cut right on the edges. Look at this. Within 5 minutes, it's so crispy. Nice. Very crunchy. This is really crispy. As you can hear, I'll start cracking up. Look at this. It's nice, very crunchy, very crispy. So I'm going to cut the same way. Sesame seed recipe is all ready, and it's very tasty and it's super crunchy. And please try it and you're going to like it. Look at these. Look how they crack. They are so crunchy, and when you eat it, tastes so good. Very tasty. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.